Hi students, welcome to Take It. In this video, I want to give you introduction of MSAccess based on 2019 edition. Now, my videos is going to cover all features about MSAccess one by one. And today I want to discuss about MSAccess for some introduction. So please see this video till end, and if you like this video then you must subscribe my channel and like this video and share your friends. Let's start this video. And first thing is, what is Access? Microsoft Access is the most popular RDBMS that comes as a part of a Microsoft official suite. Access provides a graphical user interface for managing data. The database created in Access 2013 are saved with the extension .accdb, and this extension 2019 are same. Actually, Microsoft Access bases part of DBMS that contain any data inserted and deleted and more things. And RDBMS, what is RDBMS? RDBMS stands for a relational database, and DBMS means database management system. This concept I will be discuss my next lecture, and I will be showing next topic and move on. Next is okay, I am the move on my next topic. What are the benefits of using MSAccess? MSAccess is an information management tool that helps you store information for reference reporting and analysis. What is reference? Reference is a table that you refer another table, and very simply is a table record uses the another table, and all this concept about this type I am clearly understand my next lecture one by one. Now I am telling about some features of Access. This is the first one is tables. This table I am created in Microsoft Access, and okay, and show on. This table contains some rows and columns, and there's all rows are called record, and also we are tuple, and some columns are called fields, and a table is also referred to as a relation. And second topic is, and also we have features queries. Queries means you can show this table. Okay, queries, they let you find and work on the data from one or multiple tables according to specified condition. You see this circular area, it uses the query of your DBMS, and very clearly queries used on your table based on your database. Okay, next feature is forms. This is your form. They provided also via a form provided a user interface that lets the user enter and change data in the tables, and form show all detail as per your input types very efficiently. It uses those ribbons. Just see the circular part. Next features is reports, and these are last topics. It forms are the input, then reports are for output. Reports are used to display the data store and database tables in professional format for printing purpose, and it takes a print out of your database, and also via DBMS. Okay, and last things today I am shown in the last part, it is your full view of MSAccess sheet. Okay, first thing is navigation pane. What is navigation pane? There are the view of folders that you created in your sheet. And next is navigation buttons, that you can next, preview and pause. This is. And next is status bar, and next is show, and this two table. These are document tabs. Each things they show your table name that you are created. And next is title bar. You already know this, where show the name of access folder that you have been created. And next is, this is the tabs. There show your works option. This is groups, and this is quick access toolbar, and this is ribbon. Ribbon means ribbon also be a contain tabs, groups and comment. Thanks for watching this video. All things I am clearly done by digitally way. If you not understand any part of my video, please ask me comment section and I clear your problem.